flight tracking, and there's nothing overhead at the minute. That's a drone of some kind.
No, I'm kidding.
No, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's weird.
Is
that alien?
I mean, I hope so. Get me off this fucking planet.
Real.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's weird.
That is very strange. Yeah, do it. Huh. There is nothing currently overhead on Flight Radar. That's fucking weird. Where'd it go? Hello, where'd it go? Tanks.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't even have to zoom in that much. There's another
Incredibly quiet. It's like the first one. Hi, friend. I was going directly overhead. Oh, where'd it go? That's a motherfucking square flying in the sky. Yet again, there is nothing overhead on Flight Radar.
Can't hear it like that. What? Now it sounds like ringing. It's like the same noise, but it's ringing.